Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Patriotic paint stick star. So I grabbed some of these paint sticks. They're the smaller ones. I got them in a pack of 10 at Lowe's for a little over $1. They also have them at Home Depot. I got these two different striped scrapbook papers at Joann's. This one's just stars, and then this one is just florals and other designs. Some Mod Podge, some brown wax, and you'll also need 5 of the half wooden beads. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my brown wax and stain all of my paint sticks. I stained both sides. Now that my paint sticks are all stained and about dry, I'm going to stain all of the half beads with the brown wax as well. Now while the beads are drying, I'm going to put a coat of white chalk paint on one side of my paint stick and on the edges. And this is just to give it a rustic look. You don't have to do the stain or the paint. I just really wanted the rustic look, and I wanted the back of my star to look good. So once they were all painted with the chalk paint, I'm going to paint the beads that I stained with the white chalk paint also. Now I'm going to take my paint sticks and I'm going to lay them on this striped scrapbook paper that I got, and I'm going to trace them out, and I'm going to do a different design of stripes on every paint stick, and I'm going to do this on 4 of the paint sticks, not all 5, just 4. So I'm just going to trace them out in between each design that I like. I'm going to cut it out, and then I'm going to Mod Podge it onto the stained side of my paint stick. And there's one all done. Next, you'll do the other 3 using the same paper. You can just pick the designs that you want. Here are my 4 all finished. And as you can see, there's a different design on each one. Next, I'm going to take the star paper that I had, and I'm going to line one of my paint sticks on one of the strips of stars. I'm going to make sure I'm trying to get them evenly. I'm going to trace that out, cut it, and then I'm going to Mod Podge that on to that paint stick. Once I had mine all finished and they were all dry, I took a sanding sponge and sanded off the excess paper. Now it's time to start building our star. So I'm going to take 2 of the paint sticks and make an upside down V. And then I'm going to take another 2 and crisscross them on top of my V in an X shape. And then my final paint stick will be the one with the stars on it that will go at the very top across the X. So I had it all set up how I wanted it. So now I'm just going to start gluing down my pieces. And here I'm going to add the final piece to the star, which is the strip with the stars on it. And look how cute that is. I love all the different patterns and colors. Next, you're going to take your 5 wooden half beads and put them at each of the points of the star. And that is it. This project is finished. You can add a hanger if you'd like. You could add it to a wreath if you want to. You could have it just be a shelf sitter. I'm going to leave it as a shelf sitter. I absolutely adore it, and I love all of the scrapbook paper on it. And as you can see, my back looks finished, which I love. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.